Hi everyone, on this video I will show you how to turn your pictures from this to this Ghibli style images. Follow me. So go to Google, then type Ghibli or Ghibli style, then click on the first link. It's from getimage.ai, then click on the start creating for free. It will lead you directly to this page. From this space, so you can copy this message, then click on describe the image, go on your computer and select the images you want to turn into Ghibli style. Give it some time. So you need to paste the message you copied before, then select the new description of your image, then replace it. Then click on the create image. Look to the results. So I will show you the image I have uploaded. It's the message, this is the image I have uploaded. Open, and this is the results. On getimage.ai you can create somehow unlimited images like Ghibli style. Thank you for watching this video. If you find that this video is helpful, do not forget to subscribe on our channel.